Hello friends, here in this video we are going to see about the support locating pins. So basically this support locating pins is also called as resting pins. It is also called as resting pins, or it is also called as button, or simply called as pad. So here what is the basic function of these support pins? So these support pins are used in the jig and fixture body to support the workpiece. So here we can see that this workpiece is supported over the locatings or support pins in a jig and fixture body in order to get the proper machining operation over it. So here we have two types of support pins. First one is fixed type and second one is adjustable type. So let us talk about first the fixed type of support pins. So here fixed type of support pins are divided into the two types. First one is flat head support pin and second one is spherical head support pin. So here the flat head support pins are used when the workpiece is previously finished or previously machined, or it is a flat surface, or it has a flat surface. Then and then this flat head support pin can be used. So here we can see that this is flat head support pins, and over which the workpiece is mounted, and the bottom portion of this support pins is mounted inside the jig and fixture body in order to get the proper machining operation over the workpiece. So here we can see that this flat head support pins has more area of contact in between the workpiece and the support pin. So here it will get the accurate positioning and stable positioning to the workpiece over this jig and fixture body. So this is what one of the advantage of these flat head support pins. So let us talk about next type of support pins, that is spherical head support pins. So here it can be used when the workpiece is unmachined, or it is cast surface, or it has more surface roughness value. Then the spherical head support pin is used. So here we can see that this is our spherical head support pin, and the workpiece which may be a cast workpiece, or which may be a unmachined workpiece, which is mounted over this spherical head support pin. So here we can see that there is a point of contact between in the workpiece and the spherical head support pin, because here we have irregular nature of workpiece, and this point of contact will ensure the proper positioning, or it will locate the proper positioning in between the workpiece and the jig and fixture body. So this is what about the spherical head support pin. And next, another type of locating pins is adjustable type. It can be used when the dimension of the workpiece can vary. Then this adjustable type of support pin can be used. So here we have diagram of adjustable type of support pin. Here we can adjust the dimension of that support pin. So that's why this support pin is called as adjustable type. So here we have adjustable support pin over which the workpiece is mounted, and here jig and fixture, over the jig and fixture body there is a support pin. So this is what about the adjustable type of support pin. So here we have basically three diagrams of support locating pins. Basically these support pins are made up of hardened steel, and it is previously surface finish, so that it can load and unload the workpiece over in it. So this is what about the support locating pins. Thank you for watching for this video.